Now I'm going to show you how to make a cartoon type person. Once again, I'm using a pencil that has light lead. It's a 4H pencil. I'm going to still try to draw lightly. I'm going to just make a cartoon person made up of shapes this time instead of lines. Let's see. So most people start with an oval for the head. I'm going to start with a triangle. I'm drawing lightly. I got my neck. I think I'll do a square. And then I'll just do two kind of curved rectangles coming off. And then I'll do oval for the feet. And then arms. Just more like this. Hands could be circles, and then I could have my fingers coming off. So there's one. I'll try to do another one. I'm gonna do a weird blob. I'm gonna turn that into a head. And then I'll do like a square. And then I'll make this person like running. So I'll do a rectangle, 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 triangle, triangle. And then I'll do rectangle, rectangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, triangle. So those are my like underlying pencil marks. So here are my sketches I did in pencil. So I want to really have fun with this. I'm not going to worry about much. I just want these to be recognizable that they are some kind of cartoon characters. So all I really need to do is make sure there's eyes and a mouth. That's basically all I need. But I'm just gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna try to be creative. And I'd like you folks to try this as well. Just play with this. If you don't like what you make, get another piece of paper. So I've got this weird triangular shape. So I'm just gonna give some hair to this. I think I'll get some ears. So here's my easy way to make ears and the inside of ears. You just kind of go like this. So already this person kind of has character because of the strange shape of the head. Let's see. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it. There's an easy way to make an eyelid. It's like a little crescent on its side. So this is distracting me, the pencil mark, so I'm going to go ahead and erase this. That's bothering me. This person's kind of smirking. Look at the teeth. I'll give some eyebrows. Eyebrows really can change the expression. If I want to make this look more sinister, I think I'll have the eyebrow coming down like this. Kind of looks this person looks like they're up to something. I think I'll give them a long neck. So I'm going outside my line, my original lines. I'm going to change them a bit. Once again, a simple shirt. I think maybe I'll make his upper body really small. And now I'll give him the legs. I'll give this guy sneakers. That's how I do laces, just sneakers. What did I do? I just have like a loop, a loop, a line, and a line. And then so there's that character. Then I could add details, whatever I want to do. Pencil lines are a little distracting, so I could take them out. I could spend more time with that. I want to add a little more hair lines for the hair. And then I could have fun. I could spend more time erasing lines, but then I could have fun with the color. I could color this in if I wanted to. So this one, what am I going to do with this weird blobby head? Oh, you know what this could be? I'm thinking now this could be like hair over here. So I've left this blank, so I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just gonna have fun, see what I can come up with. Mirror these squiggles. So now I'll just put in part of the face. I don't have to put in all that information. Let's see. Some eyes. Eyebrows. And then I'll make a nose. So of course, if I wanted to make this girl a girl, the stereotype is that they'd have bigger lips and long eyelashes. That does tend to work. So now I have these geometric shapes for the body, but I'm gonna now make this look more like an actual person, so they'd be more organic looking. Less blocky. So they're kind of just guidelines. Triangles, huh? What should I do with that? I guess I could make them, just give this person triangle hands. Why not? Maybe she's wearing mittens. I'm just gonna make these lines look less straight. This foot's closer in space than this one, so I could make it much bigger if I wanted to. It would kind of make sense. I kind of want to make the hair even bigger. Let's see if I don't know if it'll. I don't know. For some reason I'm wanting to add some shapes to these pants. Kind of like explosion shapes is what I'm making, I guess. So these are like rough drawings to start off with, and then I could go and trace this and make them more exact. I could refine them, I could tweak them. Yeah, triangular hands are kind of weird. Maybe I'll add a finger over here. Could give her like nose. I could add, I'm wanting to, oh, and there's no collar to the shirt. I know she has a neck. I could put lines in here to make that hair read as behind the face. That's kind of fun. One thing I talk about a lot is how different widths of lines make drawings look more interesting. So I could go in and I could even get a thicker pen if I wanted. I could go over these lines and make them thicker, and it makes the drawing come alive a bit more. Go make your chin line a little bit thicker. Actually, I like this character. I don't know who she is. And I can erase some of these pencil lines. I want to put some stripes on this guy's legs. Make them might make them look even longer. So this is kind of the beginning of designing cartoon characters. I could develop these a lot more, but this is just to give you an idea of one way to do it, how to design original cartoon characters. Alright, and that is that.